In today's session, you will be learning the sound L. Let's get started. Are you ready? Let's play a game. Let's bump into the sound L, the sound that we are learning today. Keep going. Can you see the sound L? There it is. Well done. Now let's practice saying words with the sound L. Lamp. Your go. My go. Ladybird. Your go. My go. Lemon. Your go. My go. Lima. Your go. All these pictures begin with the sound L, the sound that we are learning today. Here is the sound L. Whenever you see this sound, you are going to say L. Let's practice. My go. L. Your go. My go. L. Your go. Whenever we see this sound, we say, that's right, we say L. And I want you to think of Lima whenever you see the sound L. Let's review our sounds. Let's play a game. I want you to read the sounds. Well done! That was lots of sounds. Give yourself an ooh la la. Are you ready? Ooh la la. Say hello to Logan the llama. Logan. Llama. How funny. The llama's name begins with the sound L that we are learning today. Logan the llama is going to help us to write the sound L. Here's the lemur's tail. To write L, we're going to use the lemur's tail. We're going to say down the lemur's tail and curl. Let's practice with our magic pens in the air. And I'm going to practice with my magic laser pointer. I'm going to start at the green dot and I'm going to go down the lemur's tail and curl. Once again, down the lemur's tail and curl. I'm going to practice with my pen now, and I want you to practice with your finger in your worksheet. Down the lemur's tail and curl. The word log. Show me 3 fingers. Let's think about the sounds. Log. O. G. Now that we know the 3 sounds, let's practice it quicker. Log. G. Let's write these sounds. Are you ready? G. Let's read our writing. G. Log. The next word is let. There are 3 sounds in let. Can you show me 3 fingers? Let. E, t. Let's say it quicker. Let. E, t. We need to write the sounds that we heard to write the word let. E, t. Let's read our writing. Et. Let. Well done. The next word is lamp. There are 4 sounds in lamp, and I want you to practice finding those sounds on your fingers. All by yourself. Okay, let's write the word lamp together. Are you ready? Lamp. A. P. Let's read our writing. Lamp. Well done, everyone. Fantastic writing. When we are practicing reading. Look, here is the sound the sound that we have been learning. I've got lots of words to read with our new sound that we have been learning. I'm going to practice reading first. My go. O. Log. Your go. Well done. My go. Et. Let. Your go. Super reading. My go. Lamp. Your go. Here's Robot. Robot's reminding us, please robot talk in your head and read the word out loud. Off you go. Well done. Super reading. Good job, everyone. Robot has disappeared. Robot said, no more robot talking. Now I just want you to read the word. Your go. My go, lamp. Your go. My go, let. Your go. My go, log. Your go. Your go. Your go. Well done, that was super duper reading. Don't forget to complete your writing activity. See you in the next session. Bye.